So you're in Japan eating ramen and you break open that egg in your bowl, and you find yourself shocked by just how orange the yolks are. Here in America, we're used to this pale yellow yolk, but in Japan, egg yolks are for the most part a bright orange color, sometimes even bordering on a red. Upon first sight, a common misassumption is that Japanese chickens are healthier, fed better food, maybe the bright orange yolk is proof of this. Or maybe they have a different type of chicken, a chicken that's more true to what a chicken should be, something that's less genetically modified. The truth is the color of the yolk is determined by what the chickens are eating, but not in the way you might think. According to this article from 2013, the color of a chicken's egg yolk is determined entirely by its diet, specifically the pigments that are found in the food that it eats. Bright orange yolks are the byproduct of feeding chickens a feed that contains carotenoids, a class of fat-soluble organic pigments that are usually yellow, orange, or red. Foods like carrots and red bell peppers are some examples of foods high in carotenoids. Japanese farmers feed their chickens a feed primarily consisting of corn mixed with red bell peppers and marigolds added specifically to change the color of the egg yolks. It seems the average Japanese consumer doesn't know the cause of the color either, as the Japanese internet is also filled with questions like, why are eggs in America a different color? As far as nutritional content, eggs with bright orange yolks are virtually identical to eggs with yellow yolks. And same goes for the color of the eggshell. Eggs with brown shells are not more healthy than eggs with white shells. They're fed exactly the same thing. As further proof the color of the egg yolk is determined strictly by diet, Japanese chicken farmers have also developed eggs with white yolks by feeding their chickens a diet primarily consisting of rice. These eggs are used in the baking of white cakes that are popular in Japan, such as Christmas cakes. So now you know why Japanese egg yolks are so orange. The chickens aren't happier, they're not healthier, they're just eating more red bell pepper. Thank you guys for watching this short video. I got unexpectedly busy this week and it's going to carry into next week, so I won't be able to get into the kitchen to film more ramen videos, but I will do that as soon as I am able to do. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.